Nopalea juice drink. How good is it? Nopalea is one of the so-called natural juices that is currently creating buzz across the world. The drink consists of water, strawberry, cranberry extracts, ascomasis, papaya, grape seed, opuntia concentrate as well as cellulose. The main aim of this drink is to boost the human immune system and reducing inflammation. The product is meant to last the person taking it for 10 days when they purchase a single bottle. The producers of this drink have discovered the growing need for all natural beverages across the world and have marketed it as such. The main component that one will find that this drink is rich in is nitrogen content pigments called betalae. The Nopalea also helps the human body in several constructive ways. The science of Nopalea. Nopalea is majorly found in the nopal cactus that is found in the Sura Desert in Mexico. Most people in the northern parts of America are referred to as prickly pear cactus. The product does contain some ingredients which are normally known for promoting antioxidant effects. Although some would think with that in mind the product can be used for weight loss, but that couldn't be further from the truth, as the manufacturer in no place does promote the beverage as one that is used for weight loss. Also, one thing that should be noted is that the vitamins that a person can get from this beverage can as well be found in eating the most common fruits and vegetables. Positive effects. The positives that can be easily found on Nopalea include more mobility in the knees as well as the shoulders. The beverage also does seem to have been taken well by most users in terms of its taste. Most of the users gave high ratings when it comes to the taste of this beverage as opposed to the other all-natural juices in the market. Also, another positive effect that the beverage has is that it helps with the swelling of feet for the customers who used to have swollen feet after long walks or just by standing. Also, another effect of the Nopalea juice is that it helps prevent untimely aging. Price. The prescribed amount that a person can take of the Nopalea beverage is only 3 ounces per day. That's taking into account that one bottle, if used well and religiously according to prescription, can last a person 10 days. This will mean that the consumer will have to purchase multiple bottles to last them for a whole month. Considering the glass goes for $8, that means that the consumer will be forced to spend up to $105 per month. For most people out there, the Nopalea juice is one of the most expensive all-natural beverages in the market. Considering that most people would like to see the effects after a few days, then they may well feel they have been ripped off by this product. Side effects. When it comes to the side effects of this beverage, it's hard to find any. One that stood out more is the fact that most of the users of this product didn't see any result after using it for some time. Most of the users of the Nopalea juice simply claimed that it didn't bring any improvements to the conditions they had. When it comes to research, any all-natural beverage that doesn't have any kind of effect on most of the consumers is one that should be treated with more caution. Conclusion. The Nopalea product is one that can be said to be the hardest to call for anyone who is reading this review on it. The product doesn't have any known side effects, and the fact that most people who give testimonials on it seem to have the idea that the product doesn't give the kind of results that were earlier promised will give some of the potential consumers ideas that they may end up being ripped off if they take to happen to buy the product. Also, one thing that may have people having the wrong ideas about the product is the price it goes for. But, all in all, with the number of physical effects that Nopalea has, it is easy to why most people are running to get the product. But like any other natural beverage, it is good to first consult the doctor before taking as to find out if may affect the body. This book is my personal collection of the best recipes to create delicious smoothies, green smoothies, super shakes, power juices, elixirs and genius cocktails that are magic for your body.